Indra, Hemarajani. I have two children studying in Mentor school. One is in grade 10 and the other one is in 5th grade. Both of them took admission in the last year and had been like a joyous ride in here. There has been like very pleasant interaction with the teachers. Children have settled down very well. At the same time, there's a good acceptance or reception of the feedback that we generally give on the PTMs. Otherwise, as well, when we interact with the teachers, they are very receptive of the feedback. They do go back and work on the feedback as well, which is quite appreciative. Talking about today's activity, today is 5th grade PTM when I met the teacher. As well, I saw a very good activity, they call it SLC, where the children from grade 5 came up and demonstrated a few topics around different subjects. And it was quite encouraging. Yeah, but generally as well, I just wanted to call out that I've been very happy with the experience that I have in last 2 years here. Thank you.